AI has already started to impact multiple creative practices. Artists and designers need to develop critical lucidity of this new reality, while simultaneously developing strategies in which AI can be seen as a new conceptual medium.
Why do you think that a mechanical object is more appropriate than an abstract symbol to figure this interaction?
Because it conveys a tangible representation of how both must work together. Each component has its own purpose, but when they are all connected, they can create something greater than the sum of their parts. This concept is similar to how humans and machines need to collaborate in order for ML technologies to be used effectively.
Yes, but if graphic designers try to invent new visual forms, how can an AI which is trained with millions of existing images collaborate with them?
AI can collaborate with graphic designers by providing insights into the patterns and trends that are present in existing images. This information can be used to inform new visual forms and help guide the creative process.
Ist jetzt ein guter Zeitpunkt, um nach einer Gehaltserhöhung zu fragen?
61 Personen mit ähnlicher Qualifikation verdienen gleich viel oder bis zu 20% weniger.
Of chaos is like regular, I think, Midjourney, and 100% is totally going crazy. So I used a lot of chaos in these pictures, and I really liked it because I really had unexpected outcomes. I also created some different, some patterns because I wanted to have a fancy booklet, and this was a way also to decorate.
Alors, nous avons un livre qui s'appelle Chamonix Sentinelle, qui est issu du travail de Nicolas Nova, de Sabrina Calvo et moi-même. Donc, le projet, surtout de Nicolas Nova, c'est une recherche sur la vallée de Chamonix. Et la vallée de Chamonix, c'est l'endroit où...
The seeds of destruction leaving us desperate for what mankind can no longer control. The final whispers attempts to flourish, challenging all hopes of survival.
Dreams grow lost in me. Lights fade, deep blue sea. Dreams grow lost in me. Bells ring, waves crash free. Silent tears flow gently. Based on heartbeats slow. Dreamless.